Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to make this homemade juicy French onion burger. If you guys would like to see it, keep on watching. Be sure to like the video if you enjoy it, of course. Subscribe if you're new, and let me show you guys how it's done. Okay guys, here are the ingredients. Please make sure to check the description box for them. I have parsley, salt, W sauce, and the measurement will be below too, so check that out. I have some olive oil, thyme, you can use dry thyme if you like. I have unsalted butter, and here I have my black pepper. I have 1 bay leaf, cooking wine, and here we have minced garlic, and I show you guys the salt. And for the bun, I'm using brioche bun. Shall we move on? Now I have 3 medium onion here, but I'll be using 2. Okay, now to my ground beef, I am going to add my salt on there. Then I'm going to crack my pepper. Once you're done, you're going in with the parsley. Next, I'm using the W sauce. Just pour that on there, just like that. Mix it together. Now I added the parsley, I added the rest of the salt. All right, so the measurement will be below. Check it out. I added the parsley. I feel like the parsley will make this burger juicy. When there's something in the burger, it'll keep it juicy instead of just the burger by itself. Now I'm going to make 3 patty out of that ground beef. I believe it's 1 pound of ground beef. Okay. Once I was done with all of my beef patties, here they are. We're going to place them in the fridge while I cook my onion. So I'm prepping for the onion. I cut both ends. Then we're going to remove the skin, and then we're going to cut them into small pieces. I feel like the smaller you cut the onions, the faster they'll cook. So make sure you cut them very, very small. Now, once I'm done cutting both of my onions, I am going to caramelize them. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter in this skillet here. Also, I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of olive oil as well. We're going to add our olive oil. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to pour the onion in. And if you're new here, hey, make sure you're subscribed because I do upload amazing recipes here that you don't want to miss. Subscribe, hit the post notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I upload a new recipe. Now we're going to cook our onion for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's how long they will take to caramelize and all of that. Now I'm going to add my bay leaf and add some freshly cracked pepper. Then we're going to add our garlic. Now make sure you cook yours on medium high heat, not too hot where you burn the onion, because they will take a while to cook. So if your heat is too hot, it might burn the onion instead of caramelizing it. Once my onion were almost there, what I did, I am going to take my thyme and just pour that in. Now I'm going to add my thyme in and also my cooking wine. Just pour it in there just like that. Ooh, it's caramelizing pretty good and I'm very, very happy how it comes. Sometimes it takes a while to cook it. When it's done, you're like, wow, I never thought it was gonna caramelize. Just be patient. Now in my skillet, I am going to toast my brioche bun. I'm adding a little bit of butter on there. Then I am going to add my bun on there and let it toast. Now you can do it in the oven as well if you like. All right, now they're nice and toasty and nice and done. We're going to remove them, set them aside. Then we're going to cook our ground beef. Now I'm going to cook the burger. I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil on the skillet. Then we're going to place the burger on there. Now I'm cooking my burger on medium-high heat. I want a nice crust on them, but at the same time, I want it to be nice and juicy. So we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes per side. Look how good they look. A nice crust, just how I want it. And flip it over and cook the other side for about 5 minutes, or however that you do like your burger. I don't like it with all the blood, so I like to cook it through, but not to a point where it's dry. Now, once they're done cooking, what I am going to do, I am going to take my Gruyere cheese. Okay, that's French. Gruyere cheese. I am going to place a handful of that on each burger. Once I'm done, I'm taking 3 ice cubes. I am going to place them right in there. Now you can use it a little bit of water if you like, but I feel like the ice cube is just, you place it in there, cover it. You don't have to deal with all the steam and stuff. So once you add the ice cube, cover it and let that melt. The steam will melt the cheese. And once it is done melting, honey, look at those melty cheese. Okay, all right. Then we're going to take our burger and place it on our brioche bun, honey. The burger is ready. Homemade burger, juicy. No, those are not like McDonald's, Wendy's burger. This is homemade, juicy burger. Then we're going to add in the burger on the brioche bun. Look how toasty those breads look. The bread looked really nice and golden brown. Now we're going to add the burger on there, plus the caramelized onion, and it is done. This is the recipe. So cheesy, so saucy, and did I mention it was juicy? That is the recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it. I hope you guys try it. Really, you gotta try this. My burger lovers, try this out. Let me know how you guys, y'all see this? And it was extremely juicy. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.